Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the expression video trend on CapCut. So select the song that you want, and then I'm just going to sort of zoom in the clip a little bit by pinching my fingers, and then I'm going to then go to effects, go to body effects, then I will go to emotions, and then choose the ones I want first, like red face for instance, and then you're going to like stop it according to the beat. So here you're just going to adjust the duration, and then you're going to add another one. So go to body effects and then go to emotions, and for instance you want to add the sad one, press the check mark button and again adjust the duration, and you're going to keep doing that until you add all of the emotions you want. For instance this shy one, like so. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!